Alexamaster.
Are you a freelancer? Do you want to make money as a side hustle? Or maybe you have a YouTube channel and you want to promote your videos? Okay, I have an amazing website for you. It's very convenient, very easy to use. Let me show you how to do it. So guys, the website is called Alexamaster. Okay, go to Google, type Alexamaster, make an account. It's very easy to make. I'm not gonna show you how to make an account because this is 2021. Everyone knows how to make an account. Okay, now for the people that want to make money, we go to earn points. Yeah, you click on earn points, you scroll down. So this is a video, you click on it, it opens a new tab on YouTube, so you can watch the video for maybe 15 seconds and then you can like it or subscribe and you will get 15 points. 15 points, you can convert it to money, okay? Just clicking, I did nothing so hard, just clicking on buttons, you guys. Now I select the timing, 9:48 seconds. Now I got 15 points. These 15 points, I will convert them later to real money, guys. They also have websites. You can visit them for at least 20 seconds and then you can get points that you convert to money. Yeah, so they have videos to watch and websites to visit. Yeah, those are the main thing that you can make money from. They have auto serve also, market, that you want to sell something, they have a market for it. You can make money from daily points, a lot of ways to make money. Okay, so now you made your first dollar. You can withdraw it like this. You go to request, you click request and you request as minimum as $1. So now the people that want to promote their YouTube channels, it's very easy. You go here, yeah, buy points and VIP. You click on it. They have a starter package. Yes, 10,000 points and 2 VIP days for $4 USD. $4, you guys, $4, and you can start promoting your videos. Very cheap if you ask me. You can also get to 20,000 points for $7. So the more points you choose, the less money you will pay. Go right now, start promoting your videos and start making some money.
Alexamaster.